Here we will write a program to accept student information as roll number, name, mark of 3 subjects and find total, percentage and grade in Python. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will accept roll number. So RNO equal to int input enter roll number. Then we will accept name. Then mark of 3 subject. So mark 1 equal to int input enter first subject mark. Then in mark 2 we will accept second subject mark, and in mark 3 we will accept third subject mark. Then we will calculate total. So total equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 and plus mark 3. Then we will calculate the percentage. So percentage equal to total divided by 3, and we will find out the grade as if percentage greater than or equal to 75, grade equal to distinction. Else if percentage less than 75 and percentage greater than or equal to 60, grade will be first class. Else if percentage less than 60 and percentage greater than or equal to 50, grade will be second class. Else grade will be pass class. And then we will print the information. First we will print roll number, then name, then mark of 3 subject, then total, then percentage and grade. Then we will save it as student mark.py and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the roll number, then name, marks. It will print roll number, name, mark of 3 subjects, total, and then percentage, and grade will be distinction.